Hey guys, I made this beautiful mirror wall hanging for a client of mine who is my friend, and actually she really loved it because I think it turned out beautiful. So on today's video, I will be showing you how I made this and how I came up with this. Yeah, stay tuned and kindly subscribe down below if you have not subscribed. Like this video and comment down below on what you think about this video. Let's get to the video. And so first, you're going to draw a hexagon shape on which you will place the popsicle sticks or the ice cream sticks. Actually, the purpose of drawing the hexagon is to give you the outline whereby you'll be placing the sticks as you glue them down. So first you're going to glue them down, yeah, to hold them together to make the hexagon shape. And as you can see, we've made a total of 7 hexagons. Like, we have 7 of them, 6 around and then 1 at the center. And so we are going to paint it black using acrylic paint, which is in color black. Yeah, and then I'm going to make two of them. This is the first piece, and I'm going to make another second piece of it.